Hey guys, welcome. Here is Mr. X here. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can deposit and withdraw on Bybit, how you can buy USDT and sell USDT on Bybit. Right. So all you're gonna do, this is the new interface. Check the description to actually create Bybit account. If you don't have Bybit, yeah. Also, do not forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell for more video. So all you just have to do is to comment where you see deposit, then comment where you see pay to pay. This one is actually the new interface right here. So all you just have to do, make sure it's on here where you see buy, not sell. Make sure it's on here where you see buy. Then what you just have to do is to come here to filter. Click on filter, right? Then make sure it's on this place, show only verify advert. Click on it. Then what you're going to do next, right, is to put the amount you want. Yeah, put the amount. Let's put like 200. How many? One. Let's put like 200,000 first of all. Let's put like 200,000. So all you just have to do is to come here and look for the buyer you want to buy from. Look, make sure the buyer has a really lot of make sure the buyer has a lot of order, and the percentage should be high. If you see the buyer, click on it. Then all you just have to do is to click on the amount here. Then what you're going to do, right, to click here where you see buy. So read the terms and condition of everything. Once you read the terms and condition, then click here where you see buy. So you're going to see an interface like this, right? You're going to see an interface like this. So what you gonna have to do right now is to come here to where you see chat. Since the guy said I'm already online, you just write okay. Since the guy said I'm already online, just write okay. So what we're going to do right now is to pay this guy. So you come here to where you see pay now. Click on pay now. So I'm going to send this to this guy Kuda account. Go to my other phone to send this money to the guy Kuda bank account, right? So I'm going to come here to my phone. I'll be doing the transaction to to with my other phone. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type the name of the bank, right? It's Kuda Microfinance, the account number. You are not going to use this account, right? You're not going to use this account. Yours will be different, like I said earlier. 142. So yours will be different. Make sure to check the name very well. Abi Solo Oyomide. And also make sure, let me go back. Come here to this place. Then make sure that the name, which is this verified name, is also the same. Make sure this verified name is also the same as the one on here where you can pay on this place name. So right, so his name is Abib Solo Ayomide. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put the 200k. Then Kuda Bank. Make sure to check very well because you know just go and lose all your money and yeah, you understand. So Habib Solo Ayomide. Habib Solo Ayomide. Check very well. Habib Solo. Then what you're gonna do, if it's correct, what you're just gonna do, you go click on send. I'm gonna send you the money right now. So I just sent the guy the money right now. So I sent it the 200,000. So what I'm going to do right now is to click here where you see payment complete. And click here and click it and click on confirm. Yeah, I'm gonna tell the guy that I've already paid. So let's wait for the guy to release the coin, right? The guy said I should send slip. So what I'm gonna do right now is to send receipt. So it's for me to send the receipt. Let me cut this video. I'll send the receipt now. So we'll start again. So guys, I sent him the wrong slip. So I already sent him the second slip. Right, this first one was wrong. So you can see he said not my wrong slip. So I sent him the second one. So let's wait for him to release. Let's wait for him to release it. So can see already, the guy already completed it. You can see completed. Then all you just have to do is to click on done and click here, go back. So you can see the money in your wallet. Come here to asset. You can see screen. Just refresh it and you see the money here. So that's how you can actually deposit on your Bybit with Naira. Simple as ABCD. If you want to use it to trade, you can come here to trade. You can see come here to trade. You can actually use it to trade, right? So how to sell your USDT? So what you're gonna do right now is to come here. How to sell USDT? What you're gonna do right now is come here to where you see deposit the same. Then come here to where you see pay to pay. So this time around, you're gonna put it on here where you see sell. You're gonna put it here where you see sell, right? So it just as almost the same as buy, but this one you're selling. And also use this filter where you see show only verify advert. Click on confirm. Then what you're going to do next is to look for the buyer. Put the amount here. Let's say this time let's just do 3,000 because I don't want to say everything. This is just for example. 3,000 is not available. Let's just do 4. I'm going to deposit this money back after I'm done, but I just want to use this as an example. Let's click on 4,000. So you're going to see the people that are you're going to sell for you. What you're going to do is that make sure the order should be a lot and the percentage should also be a lot. So we're going to be selling for this guy because this guy has order 1,000 something and about 100%. Or which one we're going to be using? Let's just go. This guy has about 3,000. Let's go for this guy. Click on sell. Then what we're going to do is to put the amount. Right, let's put the amount in USDT. 4,005. Let's see. Let's put like $3. $3, yeah, $3 is like 4,600. So what you're gonna do is to click, make sure your bank account is already here. Click here. If yours is not here, click here to add your bank account. Then click here to add your bank account. So once you already add your bank account, click here to where you see say. Click on save. Then what you're gonna do is to add your authenticator. So we have an authenticator which you can add. So that authenticator we probably save your account from different people that want to maybe log in your account. So if you want to do this, you might use your authenticator as your Google, your let me see your Google authenticator. You might use your number. So I'm going to search my authenticator on my other phone. Then I'm going to use my authenticator. The code they sent to me. So then change the price has changed. So they say the price has changed. Let's look for someone else to sell from. Let's sell for this guy again. Because I wasn't fast enough, then click on sell. Let's use our Google Authenticator again. 8, 9, 0. Oh, so guys, yeah, this is how the interface yours will look like. So you're gonna come here to AC chat as we did earlier as by come here to AC chat. You can chat the guy. Hey, hello. You can chat the guy. Hello, right? So the guy will probably reply or respond to you once is online. So what guy is going to do is that make sure your bank account you added to this should be the name in your Bybit. So Bybit will probably send the guy the money. But the guy will probably send you the money to that your account. You will receive it right here. You're gonna receive it in your back. Once you receive it, then you can will proceed, right? So let's just wait for us to receive it, and we're gonna come back. So guys, the guy just sent me the money right now. I'm seeing it here credited. They sent me the alert right here. You can see they send me the credit alert right here. So what I'm gonna do right now is to also check my bank if I've seen it. Then come here to, he said release. He said he has paid to release. He should not be commanding me to release it. What's wrong with him? So what I've seen the money right here. So what I'm going to do right now, if you always withdraw a large sum of money like 200, 300, 400, or even more than that, make sure you already transfer it from your account, your main account, right? So make sure you transfer it from your main account to another account because some of them will do the report so that they will refund the money to them. So as you see release, I said okay, since I've received it, then come here to where you see release. Then toggle this and click on I've received it. Receive 4,000 something. Click on release. And I also have to enter my Google Authenticator again to confirm that. So let me go again. Let me enter. Send me another one. 69. Some of your Google Authenticator, you might use your number, or you might just download this Google Authenticator. They'll ask you to. Oh, sorry, it is not correct. 69. So yeah, this transaction is complete. The transaction is complete. You can check your account to see. So some of that your Google Authenticator you might use your number, or you might download this Google Authenticator. Once you download the Google Authenticator, they will ask you, they'll give you code to put to it. It's just as simple. So it's just really simple. Or you might use your number as the verification, or your email. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell, guys. Please that the money will be deducted in your account. You can see it's already deducted in here. Come here, it's deducted. So guys, that's it.